everyone, I am B. Archana, pursuing BSc Data Science at Jagadgirigutta. Now I am going to explain about texture functions. We have different types of texture functions in our Excel like upper, lower, proper, left, right. Now we are going to discuss about all these texture functions in this video. Let's get started with upper. Here my text is Python. I want to change this text in the cell into total uppercase. That means total capital letters. First we have to write our formula upper, and next we have to mention either text or our cell number. See, I will mention cell number. See, it will change it to total uppercase now. If I mention text, one is a string, no, we have to mention it in quotes. Otherwise it will raise an error. See, Python, it changes to capital letters. But when I remove the quotes, it will give error. See, name error. Because Python, it is a string. String we have to mention it in quotes now. Now I want to change this IDE to lowercase. So for lowercase I will use, first we will write formula lower. See, here we comes the formula lower, and I will mention my cell. Then click on write. See, IDE is changed to total lowercase. Next we will discuss about proper. Proper means it will give the first letters, like here after the space whatever the letters will be there, it will change us into capital letters. C equals to proper. We have to write our function. Next we have to text. What is the text we have to capitalize? We have to mention here. I will mention. See, the first letters J and S change it to capital letters. When we write two words, combination of two words, we will write the first letters with capitals. No, it will change like that. Now we will discuss about left. Left function is, it will pull the alphabets from the left side of the string. Here I have JavaScript, but I want only Java. See how can we extract that? Equals to left, we have to write our function, and string, we have to mention our string, and how many from the JavaScript I want only Java. How many letters is consist of Java? 4 letters. Next can close this bracket, and see, Java is printed. Now we will discuss about right. Right means it will pull the alphabets from the right side of the text. First we have to write our function right. Next we have to mention our string JavaScript, and we have to give number of characters, like in the left side we gave 4 now. In the same way we have to give number of characters. I want to pull only script from the JavaScript. Script is consists of how many letters? 6 letters. See, we will get script. Now we will discuss about mid function. Here we have the string programming. From the programming I want to pull only gram from the programming word. First we have to write our programming in mid function. Next we have to mention our string. Here the parameters will show program string. Starting at means it will, from where we have to start, we should mention here. Here G is at 4th position, so I will mention 4. From length, from G to where, how much length word we have to extract, we will mention here. Gram, its length is 4. No, 4 I will mention. Now see, gram we have got. Suppose if we mention here length as extract the length as 5, it will give GRAMM. Now we will discuss about concatenate. Generally in programming, concatenate means which means combine. No? Here also it is used for combining two words. I want to combine this Java and script. See, first we have to write our function concatenate and we have to mention our string 1 and then string 2. See, our JavaScript is coming. Suppose we want space between Java and script, we can use here ampersand symbol, and we will mention space in double quotes, and again we will use and. See, we got space. We can use and symbol to join two strings equals to Java. Other than concatenate, we can use this symbol also, and symbol, ampersand symbol to join two strings. See, we got the same output. Now we will discuss about length. Length is it gives total length of the word. Now I want to find out the length of the programming. I will write length of, and we have to mention a text or say cell, reference cell. See, the programming length is word. It is a 11-letter characters word. Let us discuss about trim. Trim it is used to remove the extra space around the word. Now we apply trim function equals to trim. We have to write our function, and we need to specify our text or cell reference. See, the space before the letter C is got removed, and length will be also changed after trim. See, length is 4 before applying trim. After applying trim, the length is changed to 3. Now our next function is find. Find it is used for finding a specific letter located at which position in the string. I want to find the position of O in Python. So let us write at which position O is located. I want to find that. First I have to write our function, then search for. Search for means which letter we want to find. We have to mention O, and we mention text, from which text we have to search. See, the O is located at 5th position. Now our next function is substitute. Substitute means it will replace the given character or alphabet. We have to write our function substitute. Between Java and script, the space is there. I want to replace that space with a hyphen. So I am mentioning my text and search for what in place of space I want to replace now. So we will mention here space, our space, and we want to replace it what? Hyphen. I will mention hyphen and then close. See, now in place of space it is replaced with, if we mention here any letter, alphabet K or L, see, L is replaced. Now our next function is replace. In place of single inherit, in place of single I want to replace it with multiple. So we will mention our text and then position. From which position we want to replace, I will start with the first position, and how much of length we want to replace. 6. With what letter we have to replace, we will mention here multiple. With multiple we want to replace, so in place of single, multiple is, if we mention our length as 3, only 3 letters will be replaced, other will not change. See, multiple, and GLE will not replace, only SIN is replaced with multiple. Hope you all understand. Thank you for giving this opportunity.